Hey guys, I'm going to walk through how to use a iPad stock image and create your own little mock-up. So basically what I do is I open the image in Photoshop, and then I'm going to use the select tool and grab the screen approximately. Get that. Now we're going to select new layer, create a new layer, hit OK, and we're going to fill that layer. I just got it set on black, so we'll fill that layer and deselect, and now we convert to smart object. And now what we're going to do is transform. So you'll go to edit, transform. I usually just use a shortcut, and you'll want to select distort. And so that will allow you to grab these corners and match them up. You want to leave a little gap because a real iPad has a little thin black line around the screen, just so it looks a little bit more realistic versus taking it edge to edge. And you can always tweak this, so don't worry if once you import your image it looks a little off. Just hit enter, and there is your smart object. So now to add your image, you're going to simply double click on your smart object. And I'm going to drag in picture. I'm creating a mock-up for a website that I've done for a client. So you put that, and then you are the same, but stretch to the extent of your screen basically. And then we're going to save it. And there is your mockup. So you can see I got a little too close over here. So let's edit that. Command is transform on the Mac, just so you know, and you can just right click and distort. Good. Now I always just export as for web. We can do a quick export if you already have that set up. PNG or JPEG, and I usually just resize just to make it a little bit smaller. It's already set at a lower quality for web, so save, and that is it. Hopefully that's helpful. Real quick, I forgot. So the benefit of doing it this way and creating a smart object is you can, next time you need to create a mockup, you simply come into the same file, double click your smart object, and insert your image and save, and then it's ready to go. So it's a lot quicker versus having to resize everything every time. Also, if your screen is tilted or done anything different than straight on, like this example, whenever you distort your screen for your smart object, it will show correct. And I will do a tutorial in addition just to show how that looks, just so it's clear. All right, thanks.